In this video, we are going to download and install IntelliJ IDE. Let's see. So, inside this video, we will be downloading IntelliJ IDEA. Inside Google, you have to search IntelliJ IDE. This is the tool which we are going to use for developing our Java applications. Here, after visiting this website, you have to click on download button and simply click on the download button. Based on your operating system, it will automatically download the most compatible version. Wait for it, and after some time, uh, we will be seeing how to install. Once this is downloaded, you have to open this file inside your downloads folder and simply double click on this file so that we can install this. After clicking on this, you might see one permission screen. You just have to press yes. Yes, here I have got one permission screen, and here I will simply say yes. After that, the actual installer of IntelliJ IDE will be launched. Here we have to click on next. And if you have any previous installer, then first delete that. And then only we will be able to download and install the latest version. Now, if you don't have any IntelliJ IDE, then you will be prompted with this screen. Here, this is telling that your IntelliJ IDE, that your code editor will be installed inside C drive, which is again having programs file, JetBrains folder, and inside JetBrains folder, there will be one more folder where our actual application will be installed. Again, click on next, and here, don't rush. Here we have to select this option, this one, and from this line, we have to select Java and POM. By checking on this first option, you can easily access your IntelliJ IDE from desktop. By checking on this second and third option, we can access our IntelliJ IDE from terminal and from anywhere we want. And here, I want default support for Java files and POM files. POM means project model files. Whenever we will be working with a large Java project, then for managing our project, there is one special file is used. That file is known as POM file. So here I have created the association between Java file and POM file so that there will be a ready-made support available inside our IntelliJ IDE. Simply click on next and install.